Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So first I'm going to start off with my Jaclyn Hill Vault palette. I'm going to be using the shade Hush Hush in the crease just to warm up that lid. And before I get any further with this makeup look, I'm going to go ahead and take the edges so that when the makeup's all done, I have those nice smooth lines. Next, I'm going to be using those two neutral warm shades on the left there to continue to warm up the lid. So to cut the crease, I'm going to be using the Tarte Shape Tape. And the reason I'm cutting the crease is because it makes it a lot easier to know where to place the red. That way I have a nice smooth, kind of like rounded lid. Now I'm just going to be taking this bright red shade called Slow Burn just to fill in that cut crease. So what I like to do whenever I'm using bright eyeshadows is basically just use a white eyeliner or white base below it just to make the color pop. So to deepen this look, I'm just using a black shade very gently on the outer parts of the eye. And then to blend it all together, I'm going to be using that deeper red shade and another deep red shade, kind of just to give it a gradient effect. And sometimes I do like to use that same brush that I use in the beginning for the crease, just to go over everything, make sure that everything is nicely blended. Next, I'm taking the NYX liquid eyeliner in white just to highlight the inner part of the cut crease. Now I'm just lining my waterline with a black eyeliner. Next, I'm just going to contour and highlight. So since I am recreating a look, I wouldn't normally do this. I am just going to exaggerate the highlight a little bit with the white eyeliner pencil. So I'm just wiping it off a little bit, and then I'm just going to add some highlighter powder. So for this next step, I am using a Christmas bow to cut out the stars because I couldn't find my turquoise eyeliner. And I am just using eyelash glue to glue on the stars. For the lips, I am using two different lip liners. I can't remember what the other one is. When I find it, I can write it down below for you guys. But one of them is called Nude Beige by NYX, and the lip gloss that I put over top is Fortune Cookie by NYX. And for the last step, I ended up adding this Benefit mascara over my false lashes. And that's the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.